Now, how we have made over $7,400 with Google pay-per-click ads, one campaign and one ClickBank product, which is actually digital product, not weight loss offer, not physical product, but digital. And in this 6-minute video, I'm going to reveal to you exactly step by step how you can deploy and install this same method before Christmas. So as you can see over here, right, those are the results with one offer. Okay, we are promoting different offers, also physical, but the most important, info digital products. Okay, those are instant purchases, mostly low ticket, meaning products from all the way from $45 to $250 per sale. So really great commissions, of course, with all the upsells that are coming on the back end. So you can see over here, right, the results daily. Now let's go straight into it. So you can see exactly step by step why Google pay-per-click ads and why ClickBank and why you should do it before Christmas. Now, as you can see over here, right, the reason we choose Google ads is because we are looking for buyers intent traffic. Okay, we are looking for eyeballs, for the audiences, but the right kind of audiences. The biggest mistake most of people, students, are making when they're buying different ClickBank courses is this. Let me show you over here so you can see. Let me show you the proof, okay? You see, have you seen something like that? Ask yourself. Maybe you have seen on Facebook ads or YouTube ads, even Google ads. Maybe you have bought some guru courses before and you were taught to do something like that. The biggest mistake is that with this, you are actually attracting non-buyers. Why? Because those are ads and landing pages geared toward curiosity clickers, meaning people who are only curious to see what is on the other page, what's on the ClickBank video sales letter. They want to watch and they never buy. Again, it's not your fault if you have done something like this in the past. But right now, as you watch this video, right now, by now, you should know that you have a chance, you have an opportunity to put it into action, to deploy and apply this method before Christmas so you can start having results. What you need is buyers' clicks, buyers' intent, and the money is in the buyers' clicks. Okay, let me show you why. You see over here, right? When you go on Google, if you type in, let's say, how to get rid of my back pain, how to lose weight, or I don't know, how to build, how to do woodworking or whatever, right? Hobby niche, how to play golf. So you have so many things that you can put into the Google keyword console, Google search, and that's, my friend, how we target the buyers. Okay, because for anyone to make a buying decision, they must have a problem or pain, and if they have to be in the problem state, if they are unaware, okay, if the awareness level is not correct, no matter how much marketing you do, there will not be any sale with Google or Facebook or YouTube. Doesn't matter. Okay, what we need is with buyer state, with buyer's intent. So how we do this, as you can see over here, let me show you. Okay, with profit multiplier, with Google ads, with Google pay-per-click ads, what we are doing is we are targeting buyers only. Okay, so you can see, let's say if you have 1,000 clicks and we are paying $0.5 US dollars per click, meaning you spend $500 US dollars on Google ads and you have made back 2,500 US dollars. Now, why? Because one customer, one person is going to buy the entire funnel. They will buy the front end product for, let's say, let me show you over here. They will buy front end product for 47 US dollars and you're going to make 90% commission off of that sale, and then they're going to, in the same minute or second, buy upsell for 97 US dollars and upsell 2 for, or downsell 2 for 200 US dollars, let's say. So at the end of the day, you have made 280 US dollars in a day from one sale, one customer, one person buying entire ClickBank upsell flow. Okay, so that's the secret of how you can make money on the back end without worrying of spending money on Google pay-per-click ads. In this way, Google pay-per-click ads are basically free. Yes, free, because you have spent money and 12 hours or even 24 hours later, you made your money back in affiliate commissions, of course, right? So that's the whole secret of psychology of ads, okay? Of low emotional states and high emotional states audiences. So all this matters when you're promoting offers. So there are 4 steps to success. The first step is get cheap pay-per-click clicks. Okay, Google ads with buyer's intent. That's why it's cheap, of course, because we know who we are actually targeting, right? And second of all, you choose offers done for you that actually scale, that are proven to work, and build the funnel for you that actually converts. There's also psychology behind every single step on the funnel, because funnel are not websites, they're not pages, they are decision-making processes. Okay, it's a process, psychological process of getting into the person's mind and moving them into the right direction. Okay, so that's the most important thing. So why this work? Because it's all about psychology behind ads. Okay, we give you invisible funnel architecture, conversion persona code, very important, because male and female audiences use different language patterns, different colors, different targeting details. Okay, maybe you have tried to run ads in the past and you lost money, you lost time, and it's not your fault. And the reason why, again, you can see, because you don't know what you don't know. And once you deploy this Google ad campaign, yeah, then you can start having sustainable income, meaning $150 per day, $350 per day, $500 per day, or even more, right? So all this you're getting, and then you can see the bigger picture and say, aha, heck, now I know why this works, and I can duplicate and install the same system that can do the work for you. Okay, so very important. Now you can see over the Zoom call we get it done together one-on-one, but the most important thing is, if you're serious, if you want to have results before Christmas, before New Year, now when it's the right buying season, you can actually take advantage, because smart people are taking advantage of this right now, because they know it's a great season to get great results without having to spend a lot of money on ads upfront. All right, so let me know after watching this video. There's my WhatsApp number, Instagram, email, and even Facebook Messenger, where you can reach out to me one-on-one, but only if you're serious and if you really want to deploy campaigns before Christmas and actually start converting and actually start having the result that you desire.